What is up, everybody? My name is Wilson with Submerged Tech, and today we're going to be doing a review on the HS70 Pro Wireless. Timestamps and links are going to be in the description below, so if you want to go ahead and skip ahead to the conclusion, it's all going to be down there, and also the link to the Amazon page where I got these. These were about $99.99 on Amazon. Last time I checked before I made this video though, they were out of stock, so hopefully they restocked them by the time you watch this video. And the reason I upgraded was because my old headphones, the Lucid Sound, were giving me problems with connectivity. They'll constantly connect and disconnect from the PlayStation 4, and that was very annoying. But the reason I kept these headphones for so long because they had the option to control the chat volume and game audio on different dials. And after having that feature, I don't know how I can live without it. But I'm gonna get used to it because these don't come with that feature. So the HS70 Pro are a little bit different than the HS70s. They have updated drivers, a newish mic, memory foam padding on the ears and on the headband, and they have a small little pop filter that comes with it that doesn't come with the HS70s. Okay, so let's get into what's in the box. The box is nice and smooth. We have this opening here that we're gonna get into. Oh, there it is. All right, so to start off, we got this manual, but who reads a manual? Not me, because I'm a freaking man. So let's just put that to the side. Let's open this up. Okay, so we got the silica gel, get out of the way. Boom, out. Next, we have this 3-foot long micro USB charging cable. It has that nice texture to it on the rubber. Next, we got the USB dongle that you can put on your PS4, nice and black, so it won't be too noticeable. We have the pop filter, nice and poppy, and the microphone, which is all black and it has a few more holes than the last generation. Lastly, we have the headphones. Very nice and sleek looking, and it has a very professional feel to it also. So the headphones don't come with too many features. They have the volume scroll wheel here, and it has the mute mic button here, the USB charging cable, and the microphone port. And on this side, they have the power button. They have this nice quality feel to them. The top of the headband has Corsair written on it, and then it has like that leathery feel. And on the inside, it has the memory foam padding for your headband. For your ears, they have the memory foam ear padding, but they don't have any swivel. So when I put them on, they definitely feel like I'm getting choked. They're not that bad, but they do feel like they're choking me. I don't know if you're into that kind of stuff, but I'm not. And when I'm playing Call of Duty for a long period of time, I do like to rest my headphones, and they're not very comfortable for that. After long periods of playing, my ears do get a little bit hot, just the way the seal works on these and the type of material the ear padding is made of. But on a positive note, the clamping force is not strong at all. And when I do wear it for long periods of times, I forget they're even there. So here we have the Corsair app, the IQ that we use with the headphones. Go ahead and click on the headphones, and we're going to see the EQ presets that come with the headphones. You have the FPS competition, the Peer Direct, movie theater, clear chat, and bass boost. I was using the movie theater to see how it was with Red Dead, and it sounded really good, especially when you had to turn on the surround sound. Right here is where you turn on 7.1
surround on, surround off, surround on.
And also we have the I had used the FPS competition when I was playing Call of Duty Warzone, and it worked very well with knowing which direction. I heard the footsteps and everything. Even though the footsteps are a little deep instead of that high pitch that I'm used to, I was still able to very accurately see where they were coming from, where the footsteps were, and they're above me, below me, on the side. So I think the software is really good. Just the only thing is that you have to come in here to actually activate the surround sound if you want it.
Off. Surround on.
And I'm not that great of knowing what EQ settings to put to make it sound better or not. So I usually just use the presets. As far as the negatives go, again, you have to go into the software settings to activate that 7.1 surround sound or any other presets you want. Another negative that I think that might not be for you is that it is a little bass heavy. The footsteps sounds pretty deep, but doesn't affect the way I hear how far people are or anything like that. And the last negative pretty much I have about this is my ears getting hot after long periods of gameplay. But then again, you know, it just tells me that I've been playing for too long. So in conclusion, these are great headphones. The build quality of these for under $100 is great. I mean, if you're not going for that crazy gamer look, you just want nice, sleek, professional looking headphones, these are definitely the ones to go with. It's great quality, and you know these are gonna last for a while, and the sound is just very good for the under $100 range. I'm sure these can go for $150 and people will still find these headphones well worth the money. So if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to. I'm gonna try to get some more videos out there. I'm just starting off, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time.